Design is a solution to a problem. Art is a question to a problem. The only institute in 𝐸𝐴LCode where you can polish your hidden skills. Are you worried for your future and want to become a professional designer? Join Theta Solutions for your bright future. Here we are providing state-of-the-art graphics designing training. Graphic design is craft, where professionals create visual content to communicate message. What you get from this training? You will be able to design brochure, business cards, logos and poster designs, catalog designs, social media designs, and many more. You can utilize your skills in variety of creative careers. Good luck!